everyone, I'm the Guitar Ninja. Welcome to another daily guitar challenge video. Today we're going to have a go with our speed and dexterity using a riff called Snakes and Ladders. Anyone that's a student of mine would probably have learned this in one of their early lessons, just to help get used to putting each of the fingers on various strings and frets. So this exercise is fairly simple. Let's jump straight into it. For this exercise we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 the whole way through. We're going to stick to one finger per fret. So every time we use the first fret we're going to use our first finger, second fret, second finger. You get the idea. But we're going to keep swapping strings, so I see this as 5 individual pairs. So the first pair, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, but string-wise, we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we're going to swap over and go 2, 1, 2, 1. So that's our first pair. That's using strings 1 and 2. Next we're going to use strings 2 and 3, but do the exact same exercise. So notice how from 1 and 2 I've not gone to 3 and 4, but to 2 and 3. We're only going up one string. Then from there we're going up again, and this is what all this exercise is going to be. The pairs are just strings 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and that gives you the whole exercise. So here's a quick demo of the whole thing. No metronome. This is probably going to be faster than we're going to start, almost certainly. So let's just show you it, and then we'll get into doing this with the metronome. So once you've got the first few pairs together, it's actually relatively easy. The hardest thing is getting lost in which string we're meant to be playing when we get to those middle strings. This can sometimes be easier when we get faster because you stop over-processing and having time to question yourself, and you start to just have faith that you're going in the right order, and sometimes that makes it easier. So let's just jump straight in with 80 BPM and see how we do. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so that is your first run through at 80 BPM. I would advise, if you struggled with that, to go back and have a couple more goes. It can be quite tricky, this one, just to get it through, but once you've got it, it becomes a load easier. It's more about that note order than it is about the trickiness of speed at this stage, but it seems fast when we've not got those notes into memory. So have another go at 80 if you need to, but I'm just going to keep this ramping up for those that found this easy and see where our maximum speeds are. So let's jump up to 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, let's go up to 100. Now I almost went wrong there at 90 because it was just too slow. I had time to process. Almost went to the wrong string. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, let's go faster. 110. 1, 2, 3, and... keep it going. 120 now. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, 130. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, keep us going. 140. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's go to 150. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, going up to 160. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's go up to 170. Gonna keep going quick. 1, 2, 3, and. $180. 1, 2, 3, and. $190. 1, 2, 3, and. $200. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so now we're going to drop down to 90 and do eighth notes, so a little bit slower, but so we can get used to eighth notes. So we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, up to 100, eighth note, so this is the same as 200 was. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's go up to 110. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, 120, this is going to get faster, quicker now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I actually caught some of the wrong, whoa, not that fast, woo. So I actually caught some of the wrong strings there, so let's still go up to 130. Because I'm pretty sure it was just one that's off. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. get to some challenging speeds now. Let's go to 140. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's go up to 150 now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There was actually a mistake in that, but let's still go up to 160. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Oh, right at the end. Let's try this one again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Got it. Okay, 170. I don't know if I'm going to reach 200 with this one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Nice. Now that one, I kind of went a bit blurred and just had faith in my fingers and what I was doing. I couldn't track the notes I was playing, but I know I played the right ones. 180, let's try it now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I missed a couple on the low E, so I'm going to do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. No, 180 is getting me today. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Ah! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You know what? I'm getting too far through it. I'm failing, but I'm still going to go up to 190 and just see how bad this is. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I started on the wrong note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, 200. That was nowhere near. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I got further then. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So, I'm sure even some of my students will be able to beat me at speeds on this one because I was grilling this for months and months on my students, and to be fair, it's been a very long time since I've done it, but I definitely got 160 areas. I think it was around the 180 that I found impossible. Anyway, let me know in the comments section below what your maximum speed for this exercise was. Please give us that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more daily guitar challenges. There is a massive range in how difficult or easy they are, but they all start nice and slow so everyone can join in, and even if you're really good, it's worth starting at the slow and working up. Also, in the comments section below, there is a link to get this tab book. It is a blank tab chords and scale graph book that you can put all of these exercises into. So check out the link below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in a new video soon. Bye!